What famous politician was buried in the snow during the blizzard of 1888?
One time, presidential hopeful, 59-year-old Republican Roscoe Conkling fell into a snowdrift in Union Square after refusing to pay an exorbitant fare for a cab. He freed himself after 20 minutes, but then collapsed and died from the effects a month later. He was one of 400 in the Northeast who died in this worst natural disaster to befall New York City. Miriam Tuba, reference librarian.